They just need an internet or browser. That's it. No license, nothing, no even account of Power BI, nothing is required. There's one more thing which is available while sharing the report is that you can share your report. Let me go to training demo. You can share your report for public. Like anyone with that link will be able to access it. It is not safe for the organization. Okay. But small organizations like us, okay, जिसको ठीक है वैल्यू मिल जाए सिक्योरिटी बात की बात है राइट सो इट इज पॉसिबल हियर फाइल embed report and website or portal. If I click on this, I will copy this link and then it can be shared to other people. They just need an internet or browser. That's it. No license, nothing, no even account of Power BI, nothing is required.
So even the data will be gone with this sharing,
Yes,
with the link.
data as such, data model doesn't go with this. Okay, so embed report. Here, where is that website? There is published to web also was there. I don't know where it went. So let me do it for some other report. Let's say a report from here. This one. So here, publish to web. This option was not available on that particular thing. Maybe my team might have restricted it. Publish to web. So when I click on this is the link. And by default, page number 1 will be shown. So now if I access this link without, even if I go in incognito mode and I paste it, the report is there. It doesn't ask any login. It has 12 pages. You can navigate into any page. Which page you want to go. So this is one of the way small organizations can use, or maybe some organizations, or maybe people like us who are playing with a lot of sample data just to show the demo for the client and all. So for the demo purpose, it is okay. The data is not secured. It doesn't need to be secured, right? So publish to web is also one thing which people use a lot. Okay. At least as of now, it is like this. Whoever is having this link can only access this. The data model doesn't go to the other person. But it is still published to web. Like tomorrow, what if Microsoft says that publish to web was for public? Okay, we are putting it in a Microsoft gallery, whatever you have created. The purpose of publish to web was not to use it for your organization. It was for showing whatever creativity you have used in creating a dashboard, right? So just to explore those things, it is doing. If you see, similar feature is there in Tableau. And Tableau पूछता भी नहीं है. It shows your dashboard as soon as you publish to web. It shows you to a gallery. Anyone can view that dashboard. Here it is at least saying, okay, whoever is having this link will have access to it. So it is giving that warning over here. When we were going here, close this one and this one. So when I was going there,
we can't see your screen. We can only see the.
Yeah. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what I was saying, file, publish to web. Okay. When I do it for the first time, it will give you a warning. Let's say I do it for some other report. Maybe this report. Okay. So it gives you a warning that whoever is having a link can access this report. Are you okay with that? Then only move ahead. Otherwise, मत करो आगे काम. Okay. Not sure if it is shared with other people or not already. Embed, publish to web. You can see embed in a published website. You can use it that way. You may not use this functionality to share content internally, including email. It is publicly available. So don't move ahead if that is the case.